We are in the Ring booth at CES 2023, and we are going to walk around and see some of the new gadgets that Ring have brought to the show, including the flying camera, the always home cam. We've also got the new Ring car cam, which is a dashboard camera, and Ring has brought back an oldie but a goodie, the Ring peephole cam. The always home cam. This is the autonomous drone Ring camera. It's got the guts of a Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It is gonna fly around your home when you're not there and check out if there's any disturbance. It has specific routes that it'll travel, and Jamie was telling us that rather than creating like no-go zones for the drone, you actually will walk the drone around your house and show it where you want it to fly. So it's not gonna, fly into your grandmother's china. It's a good concept, actually. It sounds a little gimmicky, but one of the biggest problems with smart home security cameras is you don't want a camera in your house all day, filming you when you're, don't want to be filmed. And what this does, when it's finished flying around filming, is it drops into what they're calling the laundry basket. I think that's probably just a cute name rather than the official name. And here, I'm gonna put it in there, and this is what it will be sitting in when it's not flying. So as you can see, there's no camera lens staring at you. This thing on top here is the LiDAR sensor, and that is how it navigates. They're telling us it's still gonna be a year or so until we get this in our homes, if you would want one in your home, because they're still struggling. I think it sounds like mirrors and windows cause some of the navigational issues, but they're working on them, and I'm certainly interested to try it out, and I assure you once I get my hands on it, I'll be able to give you a full review. Tell us about the always home cam. When are we going to be able to buy the autonomous drone to fly around our home?
Well, we are very excited today to be showing it flying autonomously at CES.
Yeah.
Big steps for us. As you can see, this is real innovation that we're doing here. We're getting much closer, and looking forward to, in the next short future, shipping these out to customers at high volume.
It's $249.99.
Yes, it is.
Okay, and what is the holdup right now? I mean, a year, you announced this in 2020, it's 2023, a year is 2024. So tell us about some of the challenges around this.
I mean, it is literally an autonomous flying vehicle in your home. There are things like ceiling fans and furniture moves, and so there's a lot of the devil is in the details on this. We've gotten very far with it, with the technology, also making it at a price point that is consumer friendly. It's a camera that allows you to see anywhere, any position, any angle of your home at any time without having 1,000 cameras in your home.
So this is the new Ring car cam. This just launched for pre-orders today, and it sits inside your car, and we're going to go and have a look in the car here in a minute. But it is a dual-facing camera, so it's going to record the road and you, but it has a privacy shutter here. So if you'd rather just record the road, it'll do that for you. And it actually has an Alexa command built in. So when you're driving and say you have a little fender bender, you can say, Alexa, record, and it will start recording automatically. And that's the neat thing about this compared to a lot of other dash cams, is it works natively with the Ring ecosystem. So if you already have Ring cameras, you'll just add, front door, backyard, and then car. So it's a neat little gadget. It is $250. I think you can get it for pre-orders for $199.99 starting today. And we're gonna go have a look at it in the car in its native environment. Okay, so it's mounted here on the dashboard. Is it? Yeah, that's the sticky tape on the back. And here you've got the camera facing into the car, and then the camera facing out, and the privacy shutter. Is the wire going along in between the dashboard and the windshield, plugging in somewhere down here to the OBD port. Very small, quite compact, much less distracting than having your smartphone there. Okay, so this will be blue when it's recording, so you've got a visual indicator that it's recording. All right, we got a little bit of breaking news here. The peephole cam is back. Renters rejoice. This went away a year or so ago, but apparently people were really excited to have it back. And this is something you can install in your door with no wires, no screws, so it's great for renters. It's a Ring doorbell, $129.99. and we can go through and see what it looks like on the back. Hello. So you can see you've still got your peephole, so you can look through that just like you normally can. And then the battery is in here. There we go. And you just recharge the battery, and you can record video, two-way audio. Keep an eye on your front door. You can now buy it today, starting today, for $129.99. It used to be a bit more expensive, I think $180 before. It's a good solution for renters. It's actually the only solution I've seen for a doorbell that doesn't require sticking, wiring, or drilling into your door frame. So, how do dogs and cats react to having a camera flying around? Has that been an issue?
So in testing, I thought that was going to be a real problem, and it's almost strange. Like, dogs just don't seem to care about this thing. Cats for sure don't care.